Welcome to Smart Showcase for Google Reviews Pro. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use the display review for WooCommerce feature. First, make sure the WooCommerce plugin is installed and activated. Then check the list of available widgets in the SSGR section. Go to the Products tab and either add a new product or edit an existing one. While editing, scroll down to the SSGR settings panel. Select your desired widget and update the product. On the front end, the widget will display reviews based on the keywords you set in the back end. If no keywords are defined, the product page will automatically display reviews based on the product name. You can also select multiple widgets to show reviews in separate tabs on the front end. And that's it! You've successfully displayed reviews for WooCommerce using Smart Showcase for Google Reviews Pro. In the next video, we'll show you how to customize the review reply feature. For more information, refer to the full documentation or reach out to our support team if you need any assistance.